This is a box, and inside is a pigment and a note. Welcome to episode 3 of You Send, We Spray, where you guys send us pigments that you think might look really cool on a whole car, and we spray them. Today, I've got something from Tracy. Allow me to read the note. It says, "Hello, my name is Tracy. I'm the owner of Tracy's Powder Room, where I create unique eyeshadows and highlighters. My friends love your YouTube channel, and now I do too. I've included one of my best sellers, Imposter, a custom extreme multichrome that I created. I had a blast making it. I hope you enjoy." So this is Imposter, a custom extreme multichrome. I love the phrasing of that. So I can't really tell what it is yet. It's kind of in between what might be an interference and a color powder. Let's take a peek here. Okay, so here is, here's Imposter. I think I got where she came up with the multichrome concept. It's got a lot going on there. I don't know what I'm seeing. There's a shift going on here. Now, thank you. We have 2 jars of 30 grams. Any idea on pigment load?
12 and a half to start off with?
Well, I mean, you mean 15? It's 30-gram jars, so we were splitting it into... We're spraying it over anthracite. You guys always go nuts at the end of the video when we show you different pigments over the anthracite base, so of course we wanted to work it in. So, Imposter over anthracite. So if I do 1 jar, we split it, it'll be 15 grams a gallon. Again, because we don't know. See the top? The top is gold. I'm sorry, I hate messing up the shot here, but look at the top. What the heck is going on here? I'm seeing some gold. I've got some blues. I'm almost seeing greens. Hold on. Well, let's get this in here. It's a very dense pigment. Let's blend this up a little bit. I'm not really sure what we're going to end up with. That's kind of the fun of these whole things. Is this blue going to carry over?
I don't know, but I get some reds on this angle.
You're getting red?
Like reddish pink.
All right, we got to get the stick of truth in here ASAP. Imposter. So she custom mixed this herself, which means it's not going to be an off-the-shelf pigment. It's something we've never seen before. Let's see what the old stick of truth has to say. This seems very pigmented right now. I think we're going to get a lot of coverage, and I don't think this is interference. What the? That looks nothing like the powder. Look at this. A freaking rosy red, and then it's shifting to like a bright green. How are we seeing a rose and green from that? I guess that's the power of the multichrome. Again, Imposter from Tracy's Powder Room, going over anthracite. I'm freaking pumped. You pumped?
Oh yeah.
Out of 10?
7?
No.
10.
Yeah, 10. That's what I thought. All right, let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, you saw what this pigment looked like in powder form. right? And you saw what it looked like in liquid form. The fact that we're getting the tones that we are on the car makes absolutely no sense at all. I'm gonna take the car outside right now and you guys know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below and rate this one for me, 1 through 5. Let me know what you think. And of course, a huge thank you to Tracy's Powder Room for sending in this wild pigment. We had a ton of fun playing with it today. If you want to participate in You Send, We Spray, there's a link in the description box below. And of course, if you want to change the color of your emblems, your wheels, or your whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We got a ton of kits, a ton of colors, and they're all do-it-yourself friendly. Gabe and I loved this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it. We will see you on the next one.